Operating activities is a section indicating the amount of money a company receives as a result of ongoing regular business operations. Net income before extraordinaries is net profit before extraordinary events. Depreciation, depletion and amortization, the size of depreciation deductions. Net operating cash flow is an element that includes the cash inflow and outflow of a company from its core business. The investing activities section is a section that reports on the profit or loss from investments and the amount spent on investments in fixed assets. Capital expenditures or capital expenditures, commonly known as CapEx. These are the means used by a company to acquire, modernize, and service physical assets, such as property, buildings, industrial plants, technologies, or equipment. Capital expenditures on fixed assets can include everything from repairing the roof of a building to purchasing equipment and building a new plant. This type of financial cost is incurred by the company to maintain or increase the volume of its activities. Purchase-sale of investments is the sum of expenses on investments and income from the sale of previously made investments. Net investing cash flow taking into account all income and expenses from investment activities. Financing activities is a section of a company's cash flow statement that shows the cash flows that are used to finance a company. Financial activities include operations with debts, stocks, and dividends. Cash dividends paid is the amount paid in the form of dividends. Change in capital stock, the amount of income from the sale of shares and the cost of their repurchase. Issuance of long-term debt, the amount taken as long-term debt. Reduction in long-term debt, the amount spent on the return of long-term debt. Net financing cash flow, net financial cash flow obtained by adding all the income and expenses in this section. Net change in cash, a net change in cash on the company's balance sheet. Free cash flow obtained by adding the operating cash flow to capital costs.